What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another video. So before we get started, I want to give a huge notification shout out to the first two people who commented on my last video. Shout out to TinyTube and CC. Hashtag Divinity Gang. If you would like to be featured with a notification shout out, be sure to use the hashtag Divinity Gang. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Supreme Nail Supply Fall Ambassador Box. Remember, when you shop SupremeNailSupply.com to use the code Divinity10 to save yourself some coins, sis. Here's our Fall Brand Ambassador Box. Let's go ahead and just get right into this video. Not gonna lie, guys. First thing I opened up was this matte top coat. I use this matte top coat on a fall set. If you follow me on my social sites, you've already seen like the sweater nail fall design that I've already done. Girl, let me tell you, this matte is so velvety, okay? Like, I really enjoyed using this matte, and the reason why I showed you guys this first, because it was actually sitting on my desk and I already used it. So this came in the box. We got a lot of good goodies to get through in this fall box. First up that was on top is the nail stickers. So let's go with this one. So as you can see, this has Prada on it. So cute, right? I like the stickers like this because they're very thin. Gold stickers, really cute. Reminds me of the little black and gold design I did. We have some butterflies, some fall color flowers, and things like that in there. We have some fall leaves. There's a whole bunch of stuff on here, different type of leaves and colorful leaves and stuff like that. Real pretty. Also, we have different color type of leaves, glitter, and things like that. This would be really good for like Christmas or New Year's Eve. That's what that reminds me of. You can do so many different things with the different color leaves or whatever. So you guys need to check that out. Stay tuned. Okay. Next up, right? So I kind of already pre-opened some of this stuff to save some time on the unboxing. We have some fighter gel, which I was actually really excited to receive because I don't own any spider gel. But like I said, I opened it up already, just save some time on the unboxing. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, America. Girl. So I'm gonna highly suggest, I kept tipping that box too. That's what I get. But aside from that, look at the color of this spider gel though. It is so pretty. I should have just poked just a small hole in here. I open it like I normally open my paint gels by cutting the X in the top. Girl, don't do that. Find another way to open it because I tilted the box a lot and kept moving it. Probably shouldn't have done that. Not a good idea. But the spider gel is really pretty. Now, I wish I had this before I did those Aurora nails, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again, honey. Hold on. This stuff. I broke it. What the? Oh, it's not really broke. This is the color Shell 2. I don't know what's on the nail. Okay. But I be scared to open up stuff because as you can see, I just be messing stuff up when I be opening. Like, girl, stop, right? Look, let's just get a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put that back on there like that. Oh no, it is a little plastic thing in there. I did break it. But any applicator, you can get some from oh, look at that. Yeah, this would have really made those Aurora nails pop, honey. I should have. Right? So let's go on and clean that up a little bit. Off my cuticle. I'll look behind this. Put a little alcohol in that little bath dish right there. I use a smile line brush to do a lot of my cleaning. just a bit. And wipe your brush off on the paper towel. And boom. We'll be back. It's a Gucci in a minute. So it's real easy to clean up, as you can see. But really pretty. You can get it all the way down here, y'all. This is cute, right? Yes, that would have worked with those Aurora nails. But, alright, moving on. Blooming gel, I haven't used it yet, so stay tuned. We are going to try out the blooming gel together. So be sure that you stay tuned for that. She sent another 80 file. I really like these files. But the way I file, honey, they don't be lasting. So going along with that spider gel, here's some more colors. Now I'm sad because I've been tilting these and I think I opened all of them already just to kind of save time again. I'm so scared to open it now. So the first one, this was the color, the number A475. Again, this is what that looks like. Here is A472. I am so super scared to open it. I'm like, open it slow and then, let's see. It'll make my heart crush. Well, at least this one, it did. But look, you see that metallic? So pretty, right? I'm gonna leave that on there like that to keep it from being in the top. Look, now I got it all on the side because I touched it. And you can clean this up with alcohol as well. I typically just purchase the 91% alcohol for all like my nail products and stuff. And you can do the same. I use it for polygel and all kind of stuff like that. Here's another one. A482. You know what? I shouldn't have opened it like that. I'm like super scared now. Yeah, they all did that. So I'm just kind of going to open it just a little bit. Don't open yours as wide as I open mine. Like I said, I open it up like I open up my paint gel by cutting the X in the center. So I can get it out. But yeah, don't do that. Just like maybe like poke just a little hole in it. And after you open it, don't like shift it around a lot because it's not cool. Up next, we have all the cover colors, right? These are all the cover colors. Sorry, guys, I got to get more stuff out the box. So first up, cover pink, cover rose, cover peach, cover natural, and cover nude blush. Those are all of the cover powders. And then she also sent over some actual colored acrylics. They don't have any names or anything on them like that, but I'm just going to show you guys the colors. Be sure that you do head over to supremenailsupply.com. So that's going to be all for this video, Boss Chicks. Stay tuned to the channel, and we're going to go ahead and swatch those in a different video. If you like the content that I bring, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss out on every time I upload a new video. Follow me on all of my social sites. And until next time, Boss Chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.